वेरी वार्म वेलकम वंस अगेन टू मेट्रो हाइट्स। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट अथर और आज हम वॉक थ्रू करेंगे कुछ खूबसूरत आर्टिकल्स के साथ एट मिस्टिक स्टूडियो शिवालिक न्यू दिल्ली। ठीक है, नाउ दिस फर्म basically is headed by Nidhi Tandon. So welcome back Nidhi ji to Metro Heights and welcome one and all to Metro Heights. New viewers may kindly subscribe to our channel for more notifications and updates. Well, today's episode is also going to be a very special one of its kind, because we are going to showcase a lot of variety in ethnic wear and Indo-Western as well for that matter. So please stay tuned throughout the episode. Please do not skip it. Or before we actually start, few common things to announce. No COD, shipping will be absolutely free on retail orders. Wholesale buying option is also open. For wholesale buying, you may get in touch with the team at Mystic Studio. They will share the rate list separately. We do not reveal wholesale prices purely due to business reasons. And delivery is across the globe. No refund, no exchange policy, which every store has, so does this. Please follow the instructions. Any escalations should be supported by a parcel opening video done at the very initial stage. Also, the escalation should be done within a span of 7 working days, else it becomes very difficult for the vendor to keep a track of your complaints. Okay? So I think I've covered almost all the points. So without any further delay, we get started. I give control to Nidhi ji. Over to you.
Hi Athar, thanks for supporting Mystic Studio always. And
Pleasure indeed.
I would like to introduce myself. We are an 18-year-old brand and we've been on the YouTube fraternity from 2 years with 5 awards online on the Facebook. We humbly want to say that the YouTube fraternity has really done us good, that we've reached to different multi-designer stores all over India, all over the world. So we are going to be giving you wholesale as well as retail. This video में single piece के pricing share होंगे, but आप एक 12 pieces का MOQ ले सकते हैं अगर आप wholesale के लिए ले रहे हैं. और we deliver to all corners of the world, all pan India. Our shipping is there. I think you've been seeing me on every social media channels. So let's not waste time and get you an amalgamated collection जिसके अंदर आपको बहुत सारे suits stitched और unstitched, जो हमारी unstitched की variety है, from the past 48 hours we have sold crazy unstitched also. So stitched, unstitched, your Indo-Westerns, your kaftans, your quad sets, everything is there because we are Delhi Exhibition World Top 30 as well. So let's start off, and you have to, in case you want to visit us, it's completely by appointment at Malviya Nagar Shivalik Road, as Athar has said. And if you want to walk in, we are in the best mall of Delhi at a kiosk from 2.5 years as well.
Okay.
So let's
so
start.
All the details are, I mean the numbers are flashing on the video screen, viewers, and address has been mentioned in the description box, so please refer to it.
Yeah, so we are starting off with a beautiful amalgamated collection. और सबसे पहला जो मैं आपको piece दिखा रही हूँ is a beautiful nice piece and this is a highly repeated piece. So ये आपका medium to 44 size है and every time कुछ ना कुछ twist होता है. इस बारी इसमें काफी चौड़ा अगर आप देखोगे divider है and beautiful सा दुपट्टा है. So it's for all ages. There's little bit margin also. So medium to 44s can apply. This is the neck piece. The price is 2488 for this beautiful beauty, and it's got a Pakistani look. 2488.
Okay, and dupatta has ari work. And what is the fabric of dupatta? Net, is it?
No, it's chiffon. It's a premium chiffon piece.
Okay, chiffon piece. Okay.
और ये पूरा का पूरा good nice cotton linen kind of a piece है. बहुत ही प्यारा piece है. For the price, it's value for money. It's majorly on sale ही समझ सकते हो. And another similar piece, इसमें अगर आप देखोगे तो bottom, इसका bottom क्या है? Is a black color bottom and इसके अंदर plain black pants नहीं है. हमने इस तरह का दुपट्टा दे दिया.
शिबोरी दुपट्टा.
And a beautiful Meenakari neck piece with a Raja Rani on it.
Yeah.
So the price of this is also 2488. Our pricing will go very low also up till flat 999 also. So be with us throughout the show. 999 का भी pricing रहेगा. Then we have this one. और इसमें हमने आपको पाकिस्तानी दुपट्टा दिया है. And this is your
sleeves, bell sleeves.
Beautiful bell sleeves. This is a cotton chanderi piece.
Yeah.
With a cotton lower with this kind of a false mirror and gota here. Okay. And the price is only 2488.
2488.
Shipping is absolutely free pan India, guys. एंड अनदर पीस इज दिस वन. इसमें आपको साइजिंग मिलेगी 46-48 तक. इस तरह से गोटा का वर्क है.
And Mothra dupatta to pair with it.
Yeah. So it's like a festive kind of edit and a subtle one for that matter.
Could you bring closer to the camera?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the amount of work actually done on the neckline, on all over the body portion, and this is zari work, viewers. Huh? This golden is a zari work. It's a weave. It's not a print actually. Okay.
So it's a 2/4 and it's a very comfortable piece and good for the pocket also.
Yeah, easy on the pocket.
आपको नहीं मिलेगा. Easy on the pocket is the right word.
Yes. And this is chikankari, viewers, with crochet laces on all the 4 sides.
So this is the piece and it will go till a size 50 तक आपको हम इसको available करा देंगे. In fact 52 तक.
Yes.
So आपको हर size मिलेगा. We've gotten a few plus sizes also this time. The price is 1,888 for this.
1,888, na?
हाँ जी.
All right.
And then this is a very special piece. It's like again a Pakistani concept. You can see this beautiful, nice bottom.
It has a cut.
Yeah, it has a cut and it's got a lace and it's a broad one.
Broad one, and the speciality and something special about it is it has organza patching on its hem portion, and the dupatta is also in entire organza with cutwork laces.
Yes.
All around. No, not all around. I think on the edges itself.
Edges.
And mustard yellow color, your favorite color, viewers, everybody's favorite color.
Actually,
and very auspicious color. Yeah.
So this is 2,999, and then we have another one. This is again a very nice piece.
Oh wow, this fun hangings on its hem, beautiful dress. I loved it.
So इसके अंदर अगर बोलोगे तो हम sleeves आपको attach करा देंगे. वैसे it's got
spaghetti style, you know. Kind of on those lines actually.
Because we were getting a lot of demand for this. That's the reason we've got this kind of a cut. Basic.
These are the latkans, tassels, you can say.
Yes.
And these are not the normal tassels. These are very uncommon ones.
Uncommon ones. In fact, मैं अभी अज़ा और ओगान की ही बात करूँ तो ये वैसा वाला है really में.
Yes, well said.
And this is by a designer. She's actually sent this piece for Athar's show, mind you.
Yeah.
And this is price on demand, guys.
This is so beautiful, and dupatta is in zigzag pattern.
Yeah, it's actually a very nice
and
piece.
gota trims on all the 4 sides of the dupatta. So next item is in fluorescent green color
and a very pretty piece. इस तरह से आप इसके sleeves देख सकते हैं और ये आपका bottom.
Trending sleeves, because nowadays we find a lot of work on the sleeves especially.
Yes, and bottom is also very pretty with organza. इस तरह से लगा.
And it has some patching work on dupatta. Organza is in dupatta is in chiffon. Is it?
No, it's a
organza.
Organza. It's a organza piece and ये muslin silk है.
Muslin silk.
और ये organza है.
Beautiful.
And prices again on demand by the designer itself.
And viewers, today we have started our show with suits, ethnic wear.
जबकि आप believe करोगे हमारे exhibitions में और बिगेस्ट मॉल ऑफ दिल्ली में सिर्फ इंडो वेस्टर्न है, तो डोंट थिंक कि सिर्फ सूट है हमारे पास. प्लीज इंडो वेस्टर्न तक बने रहे.
We had a short conversation before we actually were to start the video. So Nidhi ji was asking me किससे शुरू करें अधर, सूट्स के, इंडो वेस्टर्न के, ड्रेप्स के, क्या स्टार्ट करें कॉर्ड सेट.
बट जो 24 आवर्स में हमने 48 आवर्स में 24 सूट्स बेचे हैं, उसके बाद मुझे लगा सूट से ही शुरू करेंगे.
हाँ, तो इट्स अ गुड आइडिया एक्चुअली. हमारे लोगों को सूट्स भी बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि फेस्टिवल्स आ रहे हैं ना. शिफॉन, अच्छा ये चिनॉन है ना?
दिस इज प्योर चिनॉन जॉर्जेट ब्लेंड.
चिनॉन.
एंड इट्स अगेन ये वाला पीस आपको जो जितने मैंने अभी तक पीसेस दिए हैं आपको किसी मार्केट्स में नहीं मिलेंगे. दीज आर बुटीक पीसेस. प्लीज सबसे पहले तो ये
प्योर डिजाइनर पीस. दिस वाज द वन व्हिच मैम इज होल्डिंग इज अ डिजाइनर पीस. लुक एट दिस. Yeah, and look at the sleeves, and it has some fun hangings. You can say tassels, and look at this, the patching of chinon itself, and this is the neck with a keyhole, and it goes with the sharara.
तो इसमें सारे sizes आपको मिलेंगे. So we have a couple of sizes, and specially made for Mystic Studio. It's a beautiful, nice.
Beautiful. ये साइड में रख देना.
हाँ. Price is strictly on demand for this.
Price is strictly on demand. Okay.
Small, medium, large और XL वालों को भी ही आएगा. आप प्लीज उसके बाद डिमांड मत करिए. सिंगल पीस लेफ्ट है इसमें.
Now comes the most pampered one, Shifli.
शिफली के मैं और पीसेस भी आपको डेफिनेटली और निकाल दूंगी. So this is a very pretty piece. Again, ये इस तरह से इसकी sleeves हैं, आप देख सकते हैं.
Beautiful. As I mentioned earlier also, okay, it has ribbon work.
Yeah, it has ribbon work. It has ribbon work here also, and a beautiful color. The price is 2650.
And these are real mirrors on the neck portion, viewers. And below the neck, we have some work on it. And shifli bottom hem पे मिलेगी शिफली का काम. And here you go.
2650. ठीक है. Next piece. Next piece is again a shifli. And इसमें single piece है सोनी. सिंगल पीस साइज में आपको बता देती हूँ. बेटू नीचे से लोअर दिखाओ इसका. ये देखो,
ये कलर्स हर जगह नहीं मिलेंगे व्यूअर्स. ये सब डिजाइनर पीसेस हैं, एक्सक्लूसिव वंस.
सो दिस इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडरी. ऑर्गेन्जा पे स्लीव्स, पहले कॉटन का शिफले आ रहा है, उसके बाद ऑर्गेन्जा पे स्लीव्स. दिस इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडरी.
ब्यूटीफुल.
नॉट अवेलेबल विद एनी वेंडर. इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि जेन्युइनली हमारे पीसेस हैं.
ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल.
ठीक है. So price इसका भी on demand रहेगा. It's a beautiful nice number. Now the next piece, sorry कुछ pieces के prices मैंने नहीं बताया. Usually don't do that. Small, medium, large, XL तक आएगा ना सोनी. Cotton का piece है with this kind of a dupatta. The price is only and only 1888 for this.
1888 ना?
Till XL available. ठीक है. Next piece. Next piece is also a designer piece by a designer again. So we should actually open up a designer showroom. We will soon probably.
No, indeed it is actually a designer showroom. If you see that way.
So ये भी आपका मसलिन का प्रीमियम पीस है. पूरे शिफले की पैंट्स है, इस तरह से वर्क है. प्राइस ऑन द सेल इज 2650.
And organza dupatta, right?
Organza दुपट्टा, स्लीव्स आप देख सकते हो. इस तरह के पीसेस जेन्युइनली मार्केट में बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है. ये वाले हमारे पास साइजेस है. ये जॉर्जेट का पीस है और साइजेस आर अवेलेबल. पूरा स्कैलप ऑन द दुपट्टा है. इट्स अ वेरी रिच पीस फॉर 2888 ओनली.
2888 only, and it's a 3-piece suit.
Yes,
pant comes in fully elasticated.
Yes, और ये आपको 46 साइज तक मिलेगा हमारे पास.
डिवाइडर्स के साथ है ना.
आउटलेट में बहुत सारे पीसेस हैं.
And divider has lining also.
Absolutely, मैं दिखा भी देती हूँ so that you know the.
दिख गई मुझे वहां से.
हाँ जी.
Yeah, beautiful.
2888 only. And now these
jacquard suits, बनारसी jacquard suits.
Very rich numbers in lower दिखाते जो काफी टाइम सेव हो जाएगा बेटा. With a राजा रानी hanging on it.
अच्छा, राजा रानी hanging. Okay, tassels.
Yes. इस तरह से आपको मिल जाएगी hanging.
Very nice. Mandarin collar.
Yeah.
Very hard to see actually.
हाँ, पूजा के pieces जैसे होते हैं उसके लिए perfect pieces हैं. And the price is only and only 2488 stitched piece. Medium to XXL available.
Usually what happens in Banarsi viewers, you get a round neck or a very typical kind of neckline. But here I think the neck is in Mandarin. So
फिर से neck दिखा देती हूँ मैं.
This can be worn without a dupatta also.
काव्य दिखा दो. Without a dupatta also actually you can wear. I'll put the dupatta like this. You can see.
Because of its collar.
Yes.
Smart dresses.
Medium to XXL again, another beautiful piece in this kind of a color. The price is only 1650. 1650 only, guys.
Very nice.
ठीक है. Next piece, medium to XXL again.
Mauve color.
Yes, the price is only and only 1550. 1550. Another piece. Now इसमें हमारे पास अभी हमने खोले हैं आप लोगों के लिए. Medium to XL हैं ये. Colors hold कर लो. 1550 only. I'm so sorry to misquote you. I'm so sorry. It's a muslin piece. It is only and only 1350, not 1550. 1350.
1350 ना?
1350 only. Free ship है. 1350 पर आप ये pick कर सकते हैं with this kind of a lace.
All right.
Next pieces are also with little zari work. Medium to XXLs are available. Lower दिखाओ बेटा इसका. और सबके अंदर ऑर्गेन्जा के दुपट्टे हैं. प्राइस इज 1295 ओनली.
All right.
1295 only. So don't think Mystic Studio can't get you reasonable pieces. We can get you every sort of pieces. So it's a totally new edit at 1250 only.
1250 only, viewers. And what is the fabric? I forgot.
मसलिन का फैब्रिक है. पूरा जरी वर्क है इस तरह से. ऑर्गेन्जा के दुपट्टास हैं with all over zari work.
Yeah.
So that you know, sometimes you want to gift a suit and
it's good for gifting purpose also. Yeah.
Another piece, ये medium से लेकर XL तक अवेलेबल है हमारे पास. और ये वाला पीस आपका है 1650.
1650. All right.
And now showing you these muslin suits with real mirrors.
Real mirrors.
So ये real mirrors के साथ है, मैं इसके सारे colors आपको दिखा रही हूँ. The price is only and only 1399.
1399 only, viewers. So it's a
13
steal deal offer, viewers. Please reap the benefit of these kind of prices. You will not get any.
1399 only.
1399.
Yes, and you can even buy for your stores. Even if you're a startup, we are ready to help you with calls.
And moreover, it's party wear at this price.
हाँ, with this price, it's just worth it. कि आप इकट्ठा लेकर कभी शादी में देने लेने के लिए होते हैं, because that's the major agendas in India.
This is too good. This is too good. It's on Kora cotton, I believe.
Yes.
And it has all mugsy laces, then gota trims, then the hand brush paint, I believe, or it's a print.
Yes.
It's a hand brush print, and it has outline of gota work on it.
इस तरह से रहेगा.
Is it a stitch piece or a semi-stitch piece?
Now I would like to mention here कि यहाँ से आपको सिर्फ स्टिच कराना है, साइड से ये वाला पीस, और ये शरारा इसमें स्टिच रहता है.
This is so pretty, है.
ठीक है, तो स्टिचिंग अगर आपको हमारे से करानी है, that's extra. Right now the piece is only and only 1888.
1888. ये साइड में रख देना.
Another piece. ये आपको बहुत सारे साइजेस मिल जाएंगे इसमें.
शरारा.
Sleeves are inside. अभी स्ट्रैपी पीस के लिए मत देखना. Actually my sister had bought this from Azza Fashion on a sale, and the price which I'm unfolding is only 1888 for this product, and she's bought for 65 or 5500 on sale. So this is shocking, guys. So 1888. Now another piece. Now इसमें हमारे पास sizes है. ये आपका cotton के pieces है. ये पूरा hand work है. Price is only 1495 with this work. 1495 only. Please note it. And the size is medium to an XL. Size is medium to an XL. पूरा hand work है. ठीक है. Next piece.
Nice.
Next piece is, I think now I have sizing in this. The colors are sold out, so we'll put it on a sale.
It is cotton silk, I believe.
Cotton silk with laces and got a good nice effect. So this is a medium to a XL.
To an XL, yes.
Medium to an XL, ना double XL तो नहीं है. M to an XL, the price point is only 1495.
1495. All right.
Another piece. ये आपका एक piece और आ गया, guys. Please note करें. और बहुत pretty सा work है, perfect for pujas, functions, parties, and the price point of this is 1888 only. Now let's get you some tulip pants. We have much more of tulip pants though. So ये वाला sizing है medium, large, XL. Hold it. The price is only 2495 for this product. 2495 medium, large, XL only. Please note it. 2495 all with gota work. You can wear for your little functions, pujas and parties with a little hanging here.
Good.
Another piece is an exclusive piece again by a designer, guys. Sorry, I have to get these kind of pieces in between because I love to encourage women. That's very important. For all budding designers, we are sitting for you. So this is a very nice piece. It's a medium से लेकर XL वालों को ही आएगा. Double XL को आएगा. The price point is only and only 2195. Another piece again is chiffle, and usually you do not get a black chiffle. इसके bottom को निकालना. So it was a two-piece set. We have put a kota doria dupatta on it with beautiful, nice piece with this beautiful neck piece to pep it up. So medium to 44 can apply. The price is 2495 only. Another piece is 1350. 1350 on sale. So we'll get forward a few more sale articles soon. So medium to an XL, और पीछे आप देख सकते हो ये.
Salmon pink color.
Yes.
Nice. Oh wow, black beauty.
Now this is again on sale. It was 2888. We've put it on 1888 sale with this Pintex and this, and we have a few colors up till 3XL. Up till 3XL, the colors are there. 1888 only. Another piece on sale. This is a double XL and this is a 4XL left. ठीक है. So डबल एक्सएल एंड 4XL प्योर चिनॉन का पीस आपको इस रेट पे नहीं मिलेगा जो मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ. इज विद अ लाइनिंग, बटरक्रीप लाइनिंग, इज ओनली 1999 ऑन सेल. Another piece on sale, medium to XL, is a beautiful nice number. Price is only 1495. अब इसका फैब्रिक पूछे तो मैं आपको बता दूं, ये सुपर सॉफ्ट ऑर्गेन्जा,
विस्कोस ऑर्गेन्जा. It's viscose organza.
It's a viscose organza.
Very nice.
1495. Another piece.
Stunning article. Stunning one.
Is this. अब ये वाले में हमारे पास काफी sizes हैं, up till XXL available.
Stunning article.
And super soft muslin article. The price on the sale is 1650.
Could you please show the bottom?
Yes.
Because I'm more keen on seeing it. Okay.
Bottom ये है.
Is it a divider or a normal regular fit pant?
No, normal regular fit pant with this gota work here.
Gota work here. All right.
1650 only.
Very good. ये side में रख देना. Oh wow.
Another piece is a big, because black lovers बहुत ज्यादा आ जाते हैं इस टाइम पर because of cards and parties. So this basically this was a gown. और gown पे हमने एक आपको bag दे दिया. Medium to XL है. And we added a dupatta in case, you know, to pep it up.
Chanderi dupatta, na?
Yes. So we've given you this kind of an effect purposely. And the price is only 1999 on sale. Medium to XL can apply.
All right.
And this dupatta goes with any color.
Okay.
Similarly, एक और piece हम forward लाए हैं. This is all and all pure georgette के ऊपर बादला work. So ये आपका short कुर्ता है लखनवी pure का. And this is your Lucknowi trousers. And there's a meenakari neck piece along with this dupatta. So the piece is on sale at 1999 only.
Beautiful.
Another one. Medium से लेकर XL ही बचा इसमें. Medium to XL बचा ये. इसमें super nice organza की sleeves है. So it's got that shimmer effect जो चल रहा है अभी. Coming forward are some suits which you will be witnessing in the show. So this is the same kind of a piece in a stitch series. The price of this is on sale 1999 with this kind of work.
All right.
Another piece, medium to XXL, 1495 on sale. Please note it. 1495 on sale.
Sale.
This is the work on the sleeves as well.
It has this sequence work.
Yeah, 1495. Another piece जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ is this one.
Beautiful piece. I like this.
Now this is also bit of bottom. मेरे को बार-बार बोलना.
It's a bubble fabric, ना?
It's a bubble fabric again. जो it's again by this designer who we've been working hard with. So we have
applique work.
Applique work with kaddana.
Kaddana, colorful kaddana, and what a combination! Mustard yellow along with the black one.
So basically, this was again a quad set, and again we have put a stole on it.
Okay, patchwork stole. Wow.
और ये stole अगर आप देखें तो एक-एक square जोड़ के बना.
Usually, you know, we find such kind of dupattas in ajrak, cotton ajraks.
Yes, I'll be doing a stole edit soon.
Yeah.
I should actually.
Now look at this stole, so beautiful, so pretty. I really liked it. Huh?
So ये stoles हम करेंगे next video में 1, 2, 3, 4
इसका matching कितना अच्छा लग रहा है.
So ये हम ही match करते हैं और the price is only and only 2650 on sale. Medium to XL, XXL can apply.
Too good, too good.
Another piece, medium to XXL. This is again a muslin based piece with a Pakistani effect. And the price point of this beautiful article is 1888 only.
All right.
Another piece, ये आपका आ गया बनारसी, because बहुत बार आपको मेहंदी इसके लिए सूट चाहिए होते हैं. ये perfect सूट है. Typically to be worn between functions and parties with this Pakistani dupatta. The price is only 2650.
2650. It's in Banarsi jacquard.
Yes.
Yeah.
And now this is a fun time piece, guys. It's a soft cheese cotton piece with this kind of laces, and this is the
bow
lower.
I think it's an Afghani pant.
Yes.
So it has.
This is again by some designer. Again, I'm repeating. Sorry, I mean, do not misquote me, but this is the truth. So 2488.
2488.
And another last stitch suit in this edit, क्योंकि इसके बाद हम बिल्कुल change कर देंगे अपना edit, is this one. So this is a anarkali sort of a thing with this work.
Sweetheart neck. Medium
to XL, and the price point is only and only 1999.
1999. Very nice option, viewers, for party wear viewers.
Medium to large? Medium to
Yes.
large only, please, guys.
Medium to large, which means 38 and 40.
Yes.
All right. So now what's coming up next?
We'll just tell you.
Starting with our
Indo-Westerns.
Yeah.
So सबसे पहले तो हमने कोई न्यू काफ्तान जो लॉन्च करे वो मैं दिखा रही हूँ. And I've actually for the first time not kept a black color but a blue color for myself. And I should have worn this though. So this is a beautiful kaftan for 3488 only, and this is on pure Georgette
with lining inside. It's a long kaftan,
and it's 3488 only.
All right.
So these are our premium Indo-Westerns जो हम दिखा रहे हैं आपको. And now you can see these beautiful pieces out here, which is a beautiful muslin kaftan diaries. So we have a mustard color with ombre, and we have a hot pink with this kind of a color. Now कहने को इसका lower is this and इसका is this. So this is again our 3488 retail price. Wholesale का price change हो जाएगा जब आप 12 MOQ अगर लोगे हमारे से. Another beautiful piece coming up is a very rich diary. So this is a skirt piece, and these kind of pieces are perfect for Taj parties for people who are going to be taking, because I just know the northern India trend, guys. From people from South India probably I don't know, so I only talk this. So this is a size medium to a 42 with a skirt
and a drape.
So this is a satin crepe premium series. The price is only and only 3288, जो कि मार्केट में आपको 7-8 हजार का पीस मिलेगा. Another piece. ये आपका drape है because the day it came we sold it in the show of Delhi. So it's come again. So we have all sizes, and this comes with this kind of a palazzos. It's a very pretty drape. It looks really ravishing and beautiful, perfect for your mehndis also. And the price is only and only 3488. Another drape. इसमें all sizes are there. ये आज ही आया. Actually you could call it a cord also, but it's got wide palazzos. This is the butter crepe lining. All in all Kaddana work. So it's a very rich kind of an article. The price is only and only 3550. Another piece. ये मीडियम से लेकर 3XL है. Beautiful सा Indo-Western है. Price, it's with the trousers, and the price is only 2888. Another Indo-Western medium to 3XL available. The price is only on sale, common for all, 1495. Another piece, green color, 3XL तक available है with this pockets. The price is only and only 1750. I have to break the market with this piece. Another kaftan sets. So ये kaftan and trousers है. इसका size है large, इसका size है XXL. So this is with the coin work. You can see that it's got a beautiful coin work with trousers. Trousers are plain, so मैं नहीं दिखा रही हूँ. Price of this piece is only 1999.
All right.
Another piece is again a quad set. इसमें आपको sizes plus sizes तक मिल जाएगी. Medium onwards available है. Very nice fabric है और lower Sony is showing you. जो मेरे हाथ में piece है मैं उसका size बता दूं. इसका है medium to 42. इसका है मीडियम टू 46. अभी ये हमारे हाथ में है. ठीक है. एंड द प्राइस इज ओनली एंड ओनली ऑन सेल 1999. एंड नाउ इंट्रोड्यूसिंग ब्यूटिफुल क्वाड सेट्स एंड प्रीमियम फैब्रिक्स लाइक आवर काफ्तान्स. सो ये बहुत प्रिटी से पीसेस है. प्राइस इज ओनली 2888. एंड साइजेस आर फ्री साइजेस. मीडियम से लेकर आपको XXL तक 100% आएंगे. और पूरा का पूरा हैंडवर्क है. 2888 होगी. मसलिन पर है ये गाइस, प्लीज नोट करना, ये जॉर्जेट नहीं. ओके, नाउ वी हैव वेरिएड साइजेस इन दिस क्वाड, which is a Pakistani quad with Kaddana work. Muslin का है again. The price is only 1888 on sale with so much of work. So आप वर्क देख सकते हो कितना है. मीडियम टू 3XL invariably available. Another piece, ये आपका 52 तक अवेलेबल है ये quads. The price on the sale is only and only 1999. 1999 only. Next pieces in the quad diaries are very pretty imported crepe sort of imported Georgette
Some
बोला या
imported
crepe
fabric,
बोला.
yeah, imported fabric, and this has all beautiful kardana works. Yeah.
So it's 2488 on sale.
Hmm.
Another one. So ये आपका बहुत प्यारा सा स्टैंडअलोन पीस है, मीडियम से लेकर साइज 42 तक with so much of work. Price is 2588. Soft crepe, very rich piece on sale I would say, क्योंकि 3500 से कम ये हैंगर से हम नहीं उतारते. नाउ इसमें आपको साइजिंग मिलेगी 52 तक. अभी मेरे हाथ में 40 है. व्हेन आई से मिलेगी, आई हैव सम पीसेस इन माय अदर आउटलेट आल्सो गाइस, सो दैट्स द रीजन वी आर सो कॉन्फिडेंट ऑन इट. सो दिस इज बीच में ऑर्गेन्जा की पट्टी आ रही है और बीच में मसलिन आ रहा है. 2488. नाउ इस चीज में हमारे पास मीडियम से लेकर 3XL तक साइजिंग है. बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं. अभी सिर्फ सैंपल्स में आपको दिखा रही हूँ. You can ask me. This has been through and through with us.
This has got chiffon sleeves and the base fabric is cotton, I believe.
Yeah, this is a showstopper piece for one of our racks in the biggest mall of Delhi. And the fabric is par excellence. The price is 2488 online. There it's available at 3500. So online अगर आप लेंगे तो आपको 2488 मिलेगा. वहां जाओगे तो मेरा स्टाफ आपको देगा ही 35. Now this we have repeated. आज एक ही सैम्पलिंग करी है हमने इसकी. ये हमने रिपीट करा ये वाला क्वाड ऑन स्पेशल डिमांड, स्पेशली फॉर साउथ ऑफ इंडिया. द प्राइस इज दिस टाइम only and only with the Shifle pants 2199. And it's a very nice quad available till the 3XL with bell sleeves. Another very pretty quad. बहुत rich quad दिखा रही हूँ मैं आपको ये. ऐसे स्लीव्स पे वर्क है, लाइलैक कलर है. ऑल साइजेस अवेलेबल टिल 3XL है. प्राइस इज 2199. Another similar kind of a quad again, lilac because दिल्ली बहुत पिक हो रहा है. फॉर दिल्ली एग्जीबिशन वर्ल्ड, lilac is the most pickable color. That's why I'm showing a lot of lilac. So 2188. Medium to 3XL available. Another very pretty quad. Now this has a bustier. It has this kind of a jacket.
Shrug pattern.
This is the sleeves and it's a pure cotton. Nice number. दोनों sleeves पे इस तरह से काम. Price is 2350.
And fringe laces.
Yes. Now these are high-end Georgette pieces, again imported. 42 and 44. इसमें हो सकता है प्लस साइजेस हमारे पास कियोस्क में अपने हो, तो आप पता कर सकते हैं. राइट नाउ द प्राइस इज 2588. प्लस साइजेस द प्राइस इज अ लिटिल बिट वेरिंग. नाउ दिस इज आल्सो अवेलेबल टिल द 3XL. इट्स अगेन अ इंडो वेस्टर्न सीरीज. और इसका लोअर दिखाना.
या.
एंड दिस इज ऑन सेल.
It's a C-cut pattern.
On sale at 1999 only. Pure cotton on sale. Beautiful.
How much is the price?
1999.
All right.
ठीक है, कॉटन का वेरिएंट.
It's a two-piece suit, ना?
Two-piece सूट है. अगर आप कहोगे we'll gift you a free scarf also with it. Mystic Studio का दिल बहुत बड़ा है. ये देखो.
ठीक है.
And then we have these kaftan quads. Unfortunately, we don't have it here. A lot of kaftan quads here. So this pattern which I'm showing you right now is on the deal of the day when the video releases for the first time ever at 2999. Otherwise all our kaftans quads are 3888. This is 2999 on sale for Athers channel.
All right.
Any color you can book. 2999 only. ठीक है. 2 पीस का सेट है. इसका लोअर क्विकली हम आपको एक का दिखा देते हैं. इस तरह का लोअर है. इट्स अ वाइब. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पीस. नाउ दिस इज अ सुपर रिच क्लासिक आई वुड से, बिकॉज इस तरह का मटेरियल इज 1200 रुपया मीटर. समझ का पीस है. पूरा वर्क आप देखो. Had it been in chic India, because the fabric is same, it would have been 7,500. Ours is 3650 only. All sizes available till 3XL, 4XL. Another very classic piece. ये भी जिस तरह से अब आपका functions and parties रहेंगी. People like to wear this kind of a cut. So this is again on a pure Georgette. The price is 2,999 only with trousers. इस तरह से cut है इसका. Another one, medium to size 44. Again a very rich piece with white trousers. इसकी white pants आती हैं guys. और मेरे ख्याल वी हैव टोटली सोल्ड आउट सीरीज है. लास्ट पीस इन माय हैंड है. 42 to 44 आएगा ये लास्ट. प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज गोइंग ऑन at 2488 on sale. It was 3500. And now you can see these pieces, these kind of kaftan quads which are only 2488 with a beautiful work. बहुत सुंदर काम है. और इसके नीचे भी आपकी ट्राउजर्स है. ठीक है. Another Indo-Western series is a single standalone piece, medium to 46 available. Usually इन चीजों के इनर्स छोटे होते हैं. इसका इनर आपका यहाँ तक आ रहा है. This kind of a hanging, the price of out here is only and only 2888. Viscose Georgette, not pure Georgette, viscose soft Georgette. Now this in Chic India, you know, is 7400. Today on the sale, it's 2888 with us. The fabric is par excellence, and you can see this work. Sizes are available till 20. Good size 44, 46 तक आएगा ये. And do not forget that we are famous also for our gowns. So this, since now Diwali is coming and the functions and parties are coming, that's why we are showing this kind of an edit at the channel, so that you can benefit with these kind of pieces. See.
Long gowns, yeah.
Yes. और ये प्योर में बने हुए pieces है. Right now these pieces are on 3500 each, medium to double XL. वैसे इनकी बुकिंग 42 में रहेगी, प्लस साइज और नॉर्मल साइजेस. Next gown is price on demand. Reason being, it will create a kiosk with our resellers. We are a 70,000 data bank company now, proudly, with 560 resellers all over the world. So these are beautiful pieces. That's the back, and the price is on demand for these gowns.
All right.
इसी का एक और पैटर्न दिखा रही हूँ मैं.
Oh wow.
और ये भी पीछे से सेम रहेगा.
So nice.
और साइजेस इनके 48 तक आपको मिल जाएंगे.
Oh wow.
और that's the back for both the pieces.
Wow.
Next gown quickly is unfortunately in one color only. This is with a dupatta because lot of time we have people saying कि हमने नमाज पढ़नी है या हमारे को दुपट्टा चाहिए, तो ये परफेक्ट आउटफिट हमारा उसके लिए भी है और फॉर sundowners and parties and goers भी है. So it's a versatile garment. And this we have repeated on special demand again. These are very pretty pieces, high neck. 5XL तक available है. इसमें colors और बनेंगे अभी with the trousers. Price is 2888 only. Another very nice classic suit काम, इसको मैं Indo-Western में ही गिनूंगी, with a dupatta, is inspired by a designer. So this is 3600 only. Another nice pieces. Now these are classics, which I'm putting on sale at 3188 for the first time ever. और इसके आप कलर टोन्स देख सकते हो. वैसे ये 4200 का 3188 सेल पर है गाइस. ठीक है. पारसी वर्क आपको दिख रहा है, इसमें कोई बर्ड नहीं है. फॉर ऑल आवर क्लाइंट्स जो जैसे जीन्स है या मुस्लिम्स है, वो लोग नहीं डालते हैं बर्ड्स एंड ऑल, इसमें कोई बर्ड का एक तिनका भी नहीं है. ठीक है. No, I see India is a cosmopolitan India, so I actually want to tell this
नहीं,
message.
आपका तिनका बोला ना, उस पे हंसी आई मुझे.
I mean, for me everybody is equal.
I know. So हम सबकी जरूरतों का ख्याल रखते हैं. So these are all drape patterns. I think sarees, ready to wear sarees.
These are ready to wear sarees. So medium to 44 साइज सब में रहेगा. रिंकल फैब्रिक है और ये है बनारसी का ब्लाउज. इसको आप छोटा बड़ा कर सकते हैं.
Initially we were skeptical whether to show this or not, but then I realized कि नहीं यार, एक वीडियो में मैंने दिखाया तो बहुत लोगों ने डिमांड की थी. I think
ये देखो कितना मार्जिन है. तो ये वर्सेटाइल गारमेंट्स है कि आपके पास आया और आप सोच रहे हो, ओ गॉड क्या दे दिया मिस्टिक स्टूडियो ने, ये सबको आ जाएगा. थोड़ा सा हर सिटी में इसको खुलवा सकते हैं. So price is also very good. For others channel we've kept one price for these garments at 2999 on sale. Another one. So आपको पता है कि इस तरह का जैसे शिमर इफेक्ट आपको मार्केट में मीना बाजार टाइप ऑफ प्लेस में भी कभी भी नहीं मिलेगा. पीपल लाइक अस सप्लाई टू मीना बाजार. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. I can just speak this much. My lips are tied. So this is all organza tissue with a shimmer Georgette crepish material. So it's value for money.
It has a deep neck, the blouse portion.
और ये आगे आपका रिंकल के साथ Another beautiful edit with the wrinkle. The price is 2,999. Another beautiful piece. Now this is also a wrinkle gown with a blouse. इस तरह से अलग से and a dreamy dupatta, I would call it. So this is also available till size 42. Price is 2,999. Another piece is again a lot of work. It's a hot pink color. This one is 3,500. Please note the price change. 3,500. It's a drape. ठीक है. So you can easily take for your showrooms also, startups also. You can't go wrong क्योंकि अब से लेकर February तक there are weddings and functions. So अगर आप अपने 12 pieces MOQ में भी ले रहे हो तो ये perfect pieces हैं और Mystic Studio बहुत अच्छे pieces.
Again, this is the bubble fabric along with this ribbon work on the bustier.
Yes, this is also 3,488. ठीक है. बाकी के सारे 2,888 थे. यही दो pieces थोड़े से hiked up थे. ये आपका 2,999 थे. Sorry, I'm mistaken. इस पे भी आप कटदाने का वर्क देख लो. ये भी सेम पैटर्न आ रहा है. ठीक है, इस तरह से. Another piece is this with this kind of sleeves. इसका अलग से स्लीव्स है. ये प्लीज नोट करें, अलग से स्लीव्स है. ये आपका 2,999 है. ये एक मिरर का हैंगिंग है. 2,999. Another piece is this. ये आपका बहुत प्रिटी सा रिंकल फैब्रिक अगेन आ गया. ऑल हैंडवर्क आ गया. वेरी रिच गारमेंट आ गया. ये भी आपका 3,488 है. It's what I have been going to showrooms and seeing these pieces for a exorbitant price that it's very difficult to touch it. 14,000-15,000 के pieces मिल रहे हैं.
Okay. Now we begin with our unstitched segment.
Yes. So unstitched segment में I'm showing you these beautiful pieces क्योंकि जो pieces unstitched में रहते हैं वो stitched में कभी नहीं हो सकते मेरे ख्याल से.
और इसमें एक फायदा और होता है. बताओ क्या फायदा है निधि जी? सोचो सोचो सोचो. अनस्टिच में एक फायदा और है.
क्यों फ्री गिफ्ट्स दो?
नहीं साइज.
यस.
अभी लोग 44 तक देखते हैं, 46 तक. यहाँ तो आप 50 तक बना सकते हो, 52 तक बना सकते हो. 54
तक ये वाला पीस भी बनेगा हमारा. ये जरी वर्क है, बहुत प्रीटी सा पीस है और प्योर मसलिन है और रिच डायरीज है. प्राइस इज ओनली 2,388 गाइज. प्योर मसलिन. लोअर सब में है. किसी में दिखाना भूल जाओ तो प्लीज मेरे स्टाफ को और या मुझे नॉकअप कर देना. Then we have this beautiful piece. The price, this is a glaze cotton piece. इस तरह से आप देख सकते हो.
Beautiful.
दुपट्टा is beautiful again. इस तरह का दुपट्टा आ रहा है इसका. And with little zari here. The price is only 1,888. Another piece is again a very beautiful soft glaze cotton piece. इस तरह से और इस तरह से वर्क आ रहा है. Price is only 1,888. Another piece. ब्यूटिफुल नाइस नंबर. लाइलैक कलर आपका दुपट्टा. ये मसलिन का पीस और गांजा का दुपट्टा. प्राइस इज ओनली 1,888. दिस इज अ पीस विच आई केप्ट फॉर माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो बनवाने के लिए. अभी छोड़ कर आई हूँ सुबह एंड ये अभी सिंगल पीस है. इसमें थोड़े थोड़े सब पीस में थोड़ा थोड़ा डिफरेंस आ रहा है और ग्लेस कॉटन का ही पीस है. सोनी कैन बी ओपन दिस प्लीज क्योंकि आपको दिखेगा ही नहीं. इस तरह से पीस है और द बेसिक इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट इज द ब्यूटिफुल दुपट्टा. मुझे सब सिर्फ इसका दुपट्टा अट्रैक्ट करा. सो द प्राइस इज ओनली एंड ओनली 1,888. Another very nice piece. Again, this is a very soft organza diaries. Usually हम organza कम दिखा रहे हैं पर बहुत प्रिटी सा पीस है ये वाला with all over दुपट्टा. मैं दुपट्टा पीछे से भी आपको दिखा रही हूँ. The price is 2299 and ये आपका दुपट्टा. Another very rich diaries. ये आपका फैब्रिक है ग्लेस कॉटन और इस तरह से बीच में ये वर्क
सारा एप्लिक है.
पूरा का पूरा एप्लिक है. बहुत प्यारा.
बीच में ऑर्गेन्जा के ऊपर एप्लिक है और साइड में ये जो है ये कॉटन सिल्क जैसा फैब्रिक है. बहुत ही प्रिटी पीस है. द प्राइस ऑफ दिस ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटी इज ओनली 2199. Okay.
2199. We have played a lot with our prices. The same piece in exhibitions at 3,500. Another super soft, nice number in an organza diaries is this beautiful piece. These are good for your pujas, functions, especially South India, North India, anywhere. The price is only and only 2199. And now for the cotton lovers, we have this very nice chiffle piece. Chiffle का piece आ रहा है. कॉटन का दुपट्टा आ रहा है, हल्का सा शिफले, हल्का सा कॉटन लेसेस है, और इस तरह का दुपट्टा। द प्राइस ऑफ दिस ब्यूटीफुल पीस इज 1888। Another piece, अभी इसका लाइलैक कलर आया था, राइटर्स दे वर नॉट प्लेस्ड टुगेदर। द प्राइस इज 1888 प्लीज। जो फर्स्ट पीस का प्राइस था वो ही रहेगा। Now this is डिजाइनर का इंस्पायर्ड पीस है, ब्यूटीफुल नाइस डायरीज है, प्राइस इज ओनली 1888 और ऑर्गेन्जा दुपट्टा, वेरी रिच पीस। पहले दुपट्टा दिखाऊं। The whole thing is the dupatta. It's a beautiful, nice vibe about it, and it's a super soft muslin piece. The whole element is this beautiful dupatta. Price is only 1888. Another piece is another beautiful, nice diaries. ये आपका simple सा muslin का piece है. This is the embroidery. Price is only 1888. Now coming to the premiums, Mystic Studio, जो कि हमारे 48 hours में sold out है, are these beautiful premium classics. बहुत सुंदर pieces हैं ये। अब मैं इसके colors दिखा रही हूँ। These are only available in the unstitched diary. So these are the rich, nice pieces which we have sold out totally. ये आपका सिर्फ 4 कलर्स बचे हैं 8 में से। These beautiful beauties.
Wait.
Another chiffle, nice, beautiful outfit with a burnt orange on the edges and little flowers of that is this beautiful piece at 2350 only. Another very pretty off-white. So it's I just love the vibe of this piece with the orange lower. And these are all false mirrors, please note it. हाँ जी, पूरा false mirror है और हल्का सा hand paint effect है इसका। This is the
नीचे एप्लिक है।
हाँ जी,
ठीक है।
And now these beautiful pieces. Now जो मैंने आपको गोटा के pieces दिखाए, they're all inspired by a designer. We all know the designer, so I just don't want to speak a lot about it. Is again, this is also a very pretty piece. ये muslin silk पर है।
दिखाना सामने। पूरा
embroidery है। अगर आप देखेंगे तो पूरी की पूरी इस पे embroidery चली आ रही है। And this is the soft leather work.
leather गोटा, leather गोटा।
बहुत प्यारे से pieces है और हल्का हल्का इस पे बैक पे भी बूटीज है। The price of these are strictly on demand. I haven't mentioned the prices for our resellers. We have to give ultimate respect to our resellers. And now another piece. ये आपके बहुत pretty से pieces है और ये आपका आ रहा है बहुत pretty सा flower का काम।
Again applique.
Again applique, leather का काम है।
Shimmer, shimmer.
I'm so sorry.
Shimmer, tissue shimmer.
Sorry, ये stocky अभी actually लगा है for Metro Heights. So this is shimmer. So we've actually sold leather with it. Now this is shimmer and this is a soft organza. The price is crazy for this. It's only 2250. 2250. And now 3 beautiful pieces. I love the vibe of these because they have Pintix lines and I really love Pintix. For Pintix lovers, this is a very pretty piece with very light kind of a work. Any more colors? And this is a mint, and this pink is a very decent kind of a number for any doctor or a professor to a normal young girl. So these are only 2188. Another very rich diaries for people who like these kind of prints. These are very pretty piece for 1888 only with a little lace. Another piece is this. So ये भी आपका बहुत pretty सा super soft organza का piece है with हल्का फुल्का काम, good for a young girl. It's a girlish suit and the price is only 2488. Now the shimmer pieces of Gota which we had showed you, we have 3 colors जो कि जॉर्जेट में है, वो हमने शिमर दिखाया था. शिमर इज रियली इन वोग, बट फॉर पीपल हु डू नॉट लाइक शिमर वी हैव दीज 3 pieces and that's the back. So 3 colors we have quoted. So इस तरह से है. And
येलो साइड में रखना.
A few more quick pieces for you guys. This one is one. It's a super soft organza piece. The price is 2199. 2199 और मसलिन का पीस है ये. और सॉरी, आई एम सो सॉरी, दीज आर ऑल सुपर सॉफ्ट ऑर्गेन्जास. लग मसलिन रहा इतना सॉफ्ट है, सोचो. एंड देन वी हैव दीज गोटा पीसेस. सो we all know the designer where these are inspired from. And this one is again a 2499 on sale. So these are 2499 on sale. Whoever wants to pick up a quick buy for gifting also, there's a very, very nice piece. And this one is 1495 organza piece. Muslin piece 1495 with this beautiful zari lace coming and scallop on it. Another piece is 1650 muslin hai ye bhi, aur pura iska dupatta hai. Look at the dupatta for this. We are charging only 1650 specially for you. Ek mustard de dona. And now this is a super soft organza piece. ये भी मसलिन की तरह organza super soft है with this kind of a lace. The price is 22.99 and the last piece in the unstitched edit is this beautiful piece with all and all sequins coming on a super soft crepe and a lace and a cheetah on the dupatta, and that's your back. So the price is 2488 for this crepe series.
All right. So, all at Mystic Studio in today's episode, viewers. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. अगर पसंद आया तो देर किस बात की, इनिशियल जो सेगमेंट मैम ने बताया था, which she highlighted, showcased, I can say that was a very economical range. And mid में भी हमने कुछ economical ranges देखे, and even unstitched segment was super stunning, viewers. I can say that way. Kaftans were all regular ones, and some new add-ons to it, and some court sets. So everything under
3500.
3500. Okay, so it's a sale come fresh episode, viewers. So reap the benefit, buy as much as you can, and please do refer the link of the video of this video with your friends and relatives, and do let them know about Metro Heights and Mystic Studio. Okay, so it was great watching this video, Nidhi ji. Seriously, it was a very interesting one, especially the unstitched segment. I really loved it. And thank you so much, Nidhi ji, for showcasing such a fabulous range of collection in today's episode. And viewers, thank you for all your love and support. मिलेंगे बहुत जल्दी, वाइंड अप करते हैं अब, मिलेंगे बहुत जल्दी एक नए एपिसोड में. Till then, goodbye and happy shopping. Thank you.
Thank you.